Disadvantage. Let's find out.
Judges on the cottage usually hoping for the best trick competition. And it is now your turn to move that D8 tire up or down where you feel Nick Desmond has earned.
Nick Desmond looking at the Super Blue Blues in action replay, just kicking those feet up towards the ceiling as he comes down onto the ramp. Just has to perfectly time it. You see him shaking his head up there, throwing the thumbs up as we await those scores. The score for Nick Desmond is 7.545. But we have one competitor remaining. And his name is Josh Hedberg. Josh Hedberg is from Asheville, North Carolina. Been competing in FMX for 16 years. He runs at Kawasaki 450, so this is a four clutch. Let's see what he can do with it. Here he goes. Not just a backflip, but adding a flare into it as well, kicking out those knees and then having to come down. These boys are impressive. Nick and of course Josh Hedberg trying to take the top spot. Will he be able to do it? That score is up to you. The score for Josh Hedberg is 9.389, which means that your winner of the FMX Best Trick Competition is Josh Hedberg. But Kim, I mean, they're getting pretty loud here in Cleveland. What do you think? Do you think we can do some more?
I think we can. Cleveland, you want to see some more action? You are on your feet. I think we're going to begin our FMX race tonight. And we need you to keep up that energy, keep up that spirit. Because we'll have you here. The Miami